Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Inga here. Welcome and welcome to you newbies. So we're so glad to have you here. So this is where we do all things business, and this is where I do lip gloss and cosmetics, and I also introduce my new candle line, so you guys can just sit back, relax, and enjoy these videos. But before you do that, you know the drill. It's to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like these videos, and turn on those notifications. So this is the gloss that I'm introducing today. This is it. This is me putting it on before I just put on some makeup and stuff like that. But yeah, I love this gloss, and I don't know what I'm going to be naming it yet. This is some of the mixture that I did. You will see all of this in the video, but I wanted to let you guys know that I am also on the Amazon storefront as an influencer, so you can go there and check that out. I do get a commission for those sales, so I will have everything listed in the description box below. Right now we're going to get into this video and see what else is going on. So this is the Versagel with the Citrine wax, and I did a video sometime earlier that I will have linked above, and you guys can go and check the measurements from that video. This is the same measurements that I'm using right now, and you guys can follow that guide. So here's a closer look at the wax. It comes in two colors. I got the clear citrine wax, and you can get this from TKB. So this is the mixture here after it has been melted on a heat plate. It leaves a little bit of cloudiness, but it settles in a bit. So I'm going to be using the regular oils that I use, the carrier oils, the grapeseed, etc., and the emollients and all that good stuff. So if you guys have any questions, just hit me up in the comments below. And then I'm going to give it a nice stir, and I'm also going to add the Polybutene to give it a little bit of that thickness. And you can go ahead and add this according to your preference. I did like 2 of these scoops. I'm going to be adding the mica to this right now, and this is the Hilite Orange maybe. And as you can see, it has a silky, smooth, soft texture. And this is what I am going to be adding to this mixture because I think it will have it a bit more pigmented. And now I'm going to mix it in very well. Okay, so let me go over that mistake I made. What I added first was the Ivory Lace, and now this is the Hilite Orange, but they have the same texture. So if you see them, they look very similar, but it's the same texture. So this here is the Hilite Orange, and this is what I'm adding to this mixture now. And like I said, it's gonna make this gloss very pigmented. Need not fear, everything I'm using will be listed in the description box below, so you guys can go and check out all of the stuff. And I'm not wearing gloves, but my hands are fully sanitized right here, so no need to worry. So this here is a nice consistency, and if you want to get it a little bit thicker, you can also go ahead and do that. So this mica hair that I'm using is my Mymixpeach, and this is also silky but a little bit of matte texture, and this is what I'm using in this to achieve the color that I want. So you can go ahead and just mix that thoroughly into this mixture until it just melts in completely. And as you can see, our colors are coming alive. Wow. And the final addition is some glitter that I'm using, and as you can see, it's coming together very well. If you want to put a little bit of flavoring in this, I think that a butterscotch or a dragon fruit or some fruity flavoring will be nice with this mixture. I'm using 24 karat, and as you can see, it's coming together very well. I'm just gonna put a little bit more glitter in here, and then we will go ahead and do some swatches. I'm telling you, this hair is so pigmented, and this will kill it in sales. I'm telling you guys. So we have to add some more glitter to this mixture, and this is a very fine lip glitter, and as you can see, it's very, very gold. So it looks a bit peachy hair. I guess that's what the camera is giving it off as, but it's really not. It's a goldish like color. I think you can use this as a natural color. It's a very pigmented. It will show on the lips, or you can tone it down with some gloss on top of it. It's just that you can do a lot of things with this color. You would not believe how pigmented this color turned out to be. So it's really nice and smooth and soft and fluffy. This is a final look at it, and then I'm gonna be doing some swatches on the hand. So I'm gonna give myself a nice pat on the back for this. So as you can see, I am just rubbing it in, and it's still so very, very pigmented. So I hope you guys are able to try this. If you want to add this to your line, or if you want to purchase this gloss, I will have it on Etsy. I'm also gonna have it in the 8-ounce jars. So this is just one of the collections that I'm starting out with this formula. So let me give you my take on the citrine wax. I do think that it is a game changer. I think I stated this in a video before. I think if you're making lip products, you should use the wax. I think this is a vegan wax, and it's from TKB. This wax, you don't need that much oil in it because the wax gives it a kind of oily based texture for your lips. I think in one of the videos, or some of the comments I had, or questions I should say, was why didn't I put oil inside of the base. But in that one I did use a vitamin E also, and like you can use minimal oil in this mixture because of the wax. Like you don't need all of those oils that one would usually use. So but I'm pretty satisfied with this, how it came out, and it made it more creamier. The slick is nice on the lips, and it's very moisturizing. And if you guys try this formula out, please let me know, and don't forget to add the polybutene also in it. It thickens it up a bit, and it gives it a better stay or hold. We have come to the end of this video, and I want to thank you guys once again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.